You have new socket rails showing up to organize them. Pliers, vice grips. Blue point wrenching wrenches. Air hammers, air tools. Pry bars, slide hammer. There's some punches over there, easy outs. Ryobi. Sockets. No, ratchets. Extensions. Snap ring pliers, tweezers. Flashlights. A bit set. And handles. We haven't used yet. Just random stuff. We got razor blades, paint pens, tire patch kits. Kind of a junk drawer for us. Screwdrivers, Matco, Blue Point, random stuff. Nut drivers. I think they're Torx drivers. Yep. Whole pick set. Big pick set, small pick set, Blue Point pick set stuff, random bit driver stuff. Tape measures, some impact stuff, or measuring stuff. Body trim tool stuff. Tape, window tint stuff. If you like tint windows. We have a hammer drawer, but we're missing all our hammers. The other 56-inch box is going to be all impact stuff. We're missing, that's a 3/8 set, 1/4 inch set. We're missing the 1/2 inch set. Should be in the mail shortly. Another plier drawer, Irwin. Gear wrenches, adjustable wrenches. Tecton. And other Craftsman stuff. And more air tools. Air chucks, body tools, grinders, cut off wheels, polishers. A little more Ryobi stuff. Impact guns, 1/2 inch, 3/8, lights. Got multimeters. All the stuff, electrical stuff we need. Zip tie gun. Wire, connectors, random stuff. The money drawer, the powder probe down there, along with the heat gun.